Hello everyone, it's Victoria James and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that red subscriber button and join the JBaes fam. Once the red subscriber button turns gray, you are officially a JBaes. Join us as we chit chat and all that about anything from high-end to luxury beauty, all the way to my vlogs and fashion and all the things that we love as girly girls. So my Sephora order came a little earlier than I expected, which I'm very happy about. So I'm going to share that with you today. Let's get the stuff out of the way that is not what I actually purchased. So I got another makeup brush holder with my 500 points. And I have about 3 of these at this point, but I definitely need another one because these brush holders are crowded. And I like for everything to be consistent. So when I saw that this was available, it says Beauty Insider, Sephora Beauty Insider on the bottom. And for 500 points, if it is available, you can get one as well. For samples, I picked up something from Kulfi. I really want to try this brand, but I've never tried anything from them. So this is the Main Match Concealer. And I picked up the sample, which has Deep Neutral, which is called Sunny Sitafa. And then Glossy Guava, which is Tan Warm. We've got Mango Drop, which is a medium neutral. And then Ice Berry. See what you did there. Which is a light neutral. So I would probably, just for the sake of trying something under my eyes, would probably use this one. Or maybe mix this one with this one since they're both neutrals. But we'll see. I definitely want to try this and then we'll explore that together. And then this is a body polish for radiant skin from Isle of Paradise. Never tried anything from this brand either. So I was just like, let me see, what it's all about. If you saw my screenshot on the community page, you know what I got, but we're going to swatch together. So this should be a fairly quick video. First thing we have is from Hourglass. It is the Vanish Airbrush Pressed Powder. I picked up the shade, what shade are they saying that I have here? Translucent Tan, which is just the shade above Translucent Deep. I'm going to use this for my under eyes. And oh yeah, this is a lovely color for my under eyes, y'all. You know what? Let me go ahead and compare this to the one that I used today. Today I used my Perfect Blur finishing powder. And it is in the shade Medium Deep from Chantecaille. It's a little bit deeper, a little bit cooler, as you can see. One that I used the other day that I often use is LYS's pressed powder. They're they're No Limits pressed powder in the shade Independent, which is what this one is reminding me of. Oh no, that's my contour pretty. That is not what I'm looking for. Yeah. Triple Fix Translucent Setting Powder. There we go. The other one's the bronzer. But yeah. So there we go. This one's a little deeper again, but they are the same undertone. That looks pretty good. Then we have the Perfect Blur. The Skin Fetish Sublime Perfecting Blurring Under Eye Powder in Medium from Pat McGrath. So these two, even though she has seen better days, I feel like these are probably the closest in overall tone, but I do still detect a cooler undertone slightly for this one. So what that says to me is that I don't have anything like this. Oh my God. I was like, I totally lucked out. I don't have anything like this. They're all going to look the same on, but let's see, I'm a little shiny in that area. Let's see, using the puff, what she's giving. Okay. I did a little too much, child. Calm that down right there. But would you get into it? Let's get as close as we can, because the sun has yet to actually do her thing this morning. But wow, would you look at that blur and the way it got rid of that shine. Right here. I want to get rid of my highlights, so I'm not going to do my nose. But how pretty. Yeah, I like that a lot. And I got to tell y'all, like, just, I'm gonna note the performance of that section of my face today. If I like that, I'm going back for the deep. This is pretty. Even looking up close, holy crap. And I already had a blurring powder on. I already had a blurring powder on in the first place. How you gonna HD that? That's wild. But that's the thing about Hourglass. Like, we have our little moments, but overall, this highly textured section of my nose, we're gonna do hold the fuck up. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. This right here, I tend to like face tune that when I do my pictures, y'all, because it always looks very porous. All right here, it always looks really, really porous. It's like one of the worst textured parts of my face. I would not need to do that right now. Holy shit. None of my powders do that. None of my powders, even that Chantecaille, that expensive ass Chantecaille powder, as much as I love it, don't get me wrong, she's a shit. But that was really good. I'm obsessed. Yep. This packaging is going right in the trash. I don't need this either. Like, that right there just made this a holy grail. I can't get over that. I really can't get over it. It looks so smooth. That is wild. Next item is from Estee. This is the Slip Tint Radiant All Over Concealer, and I picked up shade 17. Now, I'm going to try to open this really carefully because I don't know if 17 is going to be that girl for me. Yeah, let me try to open it on the other side. And if I can return it without messing it up, and, you know, I'm just going to look at it, you know, and see if it makes sense for me. Okay, good. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. All right. So, yeah, this is 17. We'll go ahead and open it because I feel like this is going to be a good one. And then that's what it looks like right there. So, not super brightening. It'll do what I need it to do for every day. This is great. I can't wait to try this. I did see, who did I see review this? I saw Michelle review this, and I don't know if I've seen anybody else that I like regularly watch review this, but I have seen it on her, and she has dry skin, and she really liked how it looked under her eyes. I feel like my eyes have been very delicate lately, and I've been like keeping them hydrated and stuff. So I think that is a really good testament for me. Next is from Dior. This is the Forever Glow Maximizer in Pearly. And, okay, so back when Becca was like that girl for highlighter, there was a pearl highlighter that came in Jaclyn Hill's Trio or something like that. I had it, and I freaking loved it. I was like, yo, pearl on your girl is that girl. Like, I love it. And so I said, let's try it again. Let's try it again with a liquid version. And then let's see what it's giving. Okay. And just as I suspected, it is like light bouncing off of your face. It's not giving ashy. This is not going to give you an ashy. Oh my goodness. It has like purple flecks in it. So as you can see, let me get as close as I can so you can catch all that shine. Now, I would say that micro glitter is very apparent. So it's not chunky at all. It is very smooth it's laying flat. But if you are somebody who does not like the glitter at all, I wouldn't recommend this product. But the way that the light is going to bounce off of this is so beautiful. I'm so glad I went with pearl. This is stunning. And for my girls who are deep complected or richly melanated, don't be afraid of this. I promise you. Don't be afraid of the pearl. Pearl is not chalk, right? Like it's not ashy, especially when it's done right. It looks like the way a pearl has that iridescent sheen and it has multiple colors in it to sort of give you this ethereal glow. Next is something that I think more brands should do, a mini foundation. I have so many foundations. So many, friends. And this is the HD Skin Hydra Glow. And I actually just recently, when they dropped the HD Skin reformulation, I bought the full size of that. So I was like, I can't buy the full size, but I definitely want to try it for the finish. And so same color as my other one, 4 and 62. Same exact color, but in miniature form. If you have a lot of foundations, but you want to try a foundation, I think Armani does this. Who else does? A lot of brands do it, like a good little handful, but not enough in my opinion. I feel like having miniature options or travel options or whatever is so handy. And then since I'm looking over here and I'm like, I pared this down a lot. Like I used to have them all over the place, right? On shelves and everything. But now I just have one section. So I've really decluttered and I want to keep it that way. So getting the smaller version, I think came in so handy. And the fact that they had my exact shade and I didn't have to compromise made it even better. All right. Nars recently reformulated all of their blushes. They did not do every shade that they had originally, but they did like their classics or their best sellers and whatever. And so I picked up Orgasm Rush. I don't remember this shade. Is this a new shade, y'all? Somebody was telling me they just reformulated their existing shades, but I don't remember Orgasm Rush. I had Orgasm X. I think I sold it. I had Orgasm X, but this is Orgasm Rush, which is, whew, she's pretty. So this is a talc-free formula, y'all. And that is so pretty. I wonder if this was Savage. Remember Savage? Is this shade Savage and they just changed the name? But that's pretty. I kind of want to put that on. I'm gonna put that on. I have a little bit of Hermes Rose de Feu on today. Or Rose Feu. But this has like a sheen to it. So let me put this on top. You pretty, baby. You real pretty. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. More. Y'all know me with the blush. More. Oh, my God. I love it. I love it. And the way that just went on so evenly. I need more. I need more. Because I did get rid of like the majority of my Nars blushes because they were just old. And so I need more. I kind of want to put the highlighter on too. But that's about too much for this makeup look today. The last item is from Westman Atelier. Now I have heard mixed reviews about this lip color and I'm only wearing a gloss. So we're going to put her on today. It's very difficult to pull the plug on a $50 lipstick. Let's just keep it real, right? It's hard. Even Gucci's lipstick is $42, sweetie. Like, you know what I mean? Like, calm down, girl. That's the best one on the market. You know, you get 15% off. It's all right. So I picked up PK, the shade PK, and then that one looks like this line here. So I think that'll be really pretty today. Westman Atelier's Lip Suede Matte Lipsticks. The component is actually the size. Like, a lot of people were looking at it and probably thinking, child, what? You know what I'm saying? Like, here's the size. No, this is Ilya. I'm so sorry. Hold on. They were probably thinking about this. You know how, like, thick that is? But as you can see, this is about the size of a standard lipstick component. I'm trying to look around, like my Natasha Denona lipstick, my Tom Ford lipsticks that are more square, I feel like might be the same substantialness of this. But it's not that bad, y'all. It's not that bad. Yeah, this is beautiful. Here's the shade. I just don't have enough light right now. It's driving me crazy, but yeah. Here's the shade. I'm going to go ahead and pop this on. We'll see if I need a liner or not. Get all of that shine off from the lip gloss. Yeah. Now, when I saw this, my immediate thought was that I was going to wear it with a liner. But the color is beautiful. The tone is very pretty. Okay. Who told me this had a grittiness to it? Because I feel that. I feel it. Yeah, I feel it. As I put my lips together. It doesn't settle because I do have some lines that are picking up, but it's a beautiful lipstick. I don't feel like, because I have like darkness around my lips in some areas, it's not full opacity. Not for me. But it's pretty. Very glad I got the discount. I would not have paid the full $50 or I would have returned it. Stunning packaging per usual. I mean, we know Westman Atelier do luxury. Like, she's not playing around with the luxury. But I do feel that very fine grittiness. I feel exactly what the person who said that was talking about. I don't remember who said it. Apologies, y'all. I don't remember who said it to me. But, yeah, man. Is it a deal breaker? No. I'm not going to jump and return this, like, immediately. Like, what the hell? But I feel it. And I could totally understand if somebody didn't want to, you know, go there with them. Very pretty. So there we are. I like it. That looks great. Oh my God. My cheeks. Great additions to the collection. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in the purse. Both of them. And then we will try the rest of these things very, very soon. I'm so happy with the little bits that I got. Everything. I'm so happy. Oh, goodness. Okay, let me take my little vitamin chew. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video, you guys. We're all done that quick. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, go ahead and like this video so I know you like this type of content. And then send me a comment in the comment section. Let's chit chat and all that. Tell me what you got at the sale. Tell me what you had favorited for the next one. Because, you know, we do our sale in the fall as well. Because I got some on my list, honey. None of them are these. Just off that texture. But I really love the color that I picked. I'm so glad I picked this color. Because I was really like, I was going to get that dark brown. Y'all know the one? And I said, Victoria, stop. How many different browns? You know what I'm saying? Like, let's do something different for every day. Because I don't really do a nude lip like this often. But I love it. It turned out so cute. All right, friends. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Time to get my day started. You have a good one. Thanks for watching. I love you. And I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye.